Hi, I'm Mel from Bubzi and today we're looking at our air drying clay handprint and footprint photo frame kit. This charming kit preserves the priceless infant stage by creating impressions of your baby's tiny hands and feet, which can be treasured forever. Our babies grow and change so quickly, and before you know it, they've gone from newborns to walking toddlers. With our DIY kit, you can easily pause time and capture their magical newborn moments. Our DIY kit lets you easily create a beautiful keepsake that you can keep for yourself or give as a gift. The baby hand and footprint kit can also be given as a thoughtful baby shower present. Each kit contains everything you need to start your DIY project, as well as a white frame that beautifully displays the clay impression, with the addition of 2 photo slots. The air drying clay itself is non-toxic and is perfectly safe to use on little hands and feet. It's also soft, pliable, and requires no mixing or baking, ensuring you can create a fuss-free memento. And to prove how easy it is, I'm going to set the kit up right here on camera. First, remove the clay from the packets and place on a flat, clean surface. Next, you're going to knead the clay for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, gently press it into the frame, making sure it's evenly spread. Using your hands and a mug, you're then going to roll the clay out into the frame so that it spreads into each corner for a tight fit. Then go ahead and press baby's hand or foot into the clay. Once you're happy with the impressions, let it air dry for 48 hours and then continue putting the frame together. Now, if you're not 100% pleased with the impression, you do have the ability to remove the clay and repeat the steps again. You do, however, need to do this before the drying stage. The prints are almost lifelike and allow you to lovingly capture and cherish your child's little feet and hands forever. Buy one for yourself and see. Thanks for watching.